Hello everyone, welcome back. Did you miss this? 3 years ago, I decided to do a video showcasing and teaching you all how to make and create these earrings right here. I also decided to take it a little further and use other fabric, but the earring that you will learn how to make will be these. These were done using African print fabric. For those of you who are interested in learning how to make and create this design, there will be a link down in the description box that you can click on that will take you to that actual video so that you can learn how to make and create these earrings. For those of you who are interested in purchasing a pair of these earrings, I have this pair and this pair in my shop. They are for sale. I haven't gotten these in my shop yet, but they will be landing soon. So with that being said, thank y'all so very much for taking out the time to watch this here video. If you did miss how to create these, go down in the description box, click on that video, and there you will learn step by step how to make and create these earrings. Thank y'all so very much for watching, and until my next upload, my beloved kings and queens, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.